So will I live in you. Will you be my land? Make your home. With the power and the peace of the peace we will be. So that now